Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen in Microsoft Clipchamp. So let's get started. So I am currently in the Microsoft app of Clipchamp. As you can see right here, you can also download this in the Microsoft Store if you haven't already. And now from here, let's just create a new video so that we can get started with our green screen. And from here, let's import our green screen media. So I have this clip right here. So let me just show you right here. So I have this one, so I'm just gonna drag it in here and then just place it in my timeline. So if you already have your green screen right here, you can now follow these steps. So first is that you want to click on your green screen footage and go into effects on the right side. And now in here, you want to search for effects and then just simply go for green screen. And then you should have this effect. You want to click on that. And then it would now automatically remove the green screen into your footage. So now to test it out, let's put something beneath it or underneath so that you'd be able to see that it's really working. Like for example, this one. I'm going to import it here and I'm just going to go for under it right here. So as you can see, you could now see the video underneath the green screen right there because green screen is now removed. And when we play it, it will now be smooth as you can see. And basically, this works easily because the green screen footage that I have is very good and very soft, or smooth, and it's very easy to remove the green screen. But if you have a more complicated footage, then it might require you to adjust the green screen value. How you can do that is by going back here into effects and then going into green screen again, which is the one that you selected. And then you would want to increase the threshold until you get a smooth looking green screen. Because if it's too low, like this one right here, it would now start affecting your surroundings that should not be included in the green screen, right? So you want to make sure that you have the right value in here if your footage is not smooth right off the bat. And if you have a different color of screen, like a red or blue screen, you could also select it right here, not just the green screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.